Michael Foreman from Bistro Roca and Restaurant G in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, winner of the 2012 Fire on the Rock competition. Since winning Fire on the Rock, the boys and I split up the winnings, bought ourselves some new barbecue grills for our houses. It's been a great season in Blowing Rock for us this year. Both restaurants are doing fantastic, a lot of work, but definitely enjoying the fruits of the labor of winning this competition. You know, it's interesting. What I've learned about myself the most in doing this is it's been a really tough year. I went into it this year with the mentality of kind of being the old wise sage. I'm kind of known for being a little over the top, slightly aggressive, very vocal. And this year, I went into it with a very calm demeanor. The mentality of time to return to the basics. When they announced that we had won this competition, it was a release. 7 years of doing this. I've won a couple of them in the beginning, but now that they've decided to take this championship statewide, it was really nice to be chosen as the chef from the high country to actually be the representative of the mountains and get out there and show them what the mountain boys can do. We have people coming in congratulating us. People see us. My sous chef said he was in the grocery store buying steaks and actually had an older couple come up to him and say, "Hey, aren't you the guy that won Fire on the Rock?" So, definitely for a small mountain community, it's really nice to kind of be a celebrity for a few days, but then you're back to the restaurants just trying to make sure every customer's happy. Most challenging aspect of the competition this year, I would say, was number one, getting used to another kitchen once again. Number two, the amount of volume that these competitions are seeing. We're seeing more and more people getting on board with these, so we're having a lot more guests show up for them, which is awesome. It's a great way to promote what we're doing. And with the traveling pantry this year, it's kind of interesting running from the kitchen to the back of a food truck and then running back to the kitchen and realizing you forgot something. So it gets a little stressful, but you make the best of it. I would truly say is seeing your crew work so well under pressure. Seeing, when you see some crews just have full meltdowns, and your crew is just really in sync, really working well. And when they announce it, the reaction of the crowd, it's so pleasing. You hope that every guest leaves your restaurant every night happy. Very often you get a whole room that applauds. So when you're standing there and shaking the hands as everybody's leaving and thanking them for being there, and you're taking that first big sigh because you just won, the compliments from the guest and the reactions we get and the thankfulness of how hard we worked, that's why we do it.